Good afternoon, everybody. I'd like to thank the returning officer and all those involved in the election at the polling stations, the postal vote verification and the count today for ensuring that the machinery of democracy works as it should. Thank you very much. I'd like to thank my colleagues in Reform across Wales and also in my local branch for their commitment, their unwavering commitment to our movement. And special thanks as well to my election agent Kevin and my fellow Reform candidates in the Nghasnewydd Islwyn constituency for flying the flag whilst I led the campaign in the rest of Wales. My final and most important thank you is to the people of Newport and Islwyn who have overwhelmingly placed their faith in Reform. You have given us a huge responsibility, and we will not let you down. I offer my congratulations to all 6 Senedd members elected today who are to serve Newport and Islwyn, especially Art, my colleague in Reform. And Art played a huge role in my local campaign. Thank you, Art. For decades, the Welsh valleys and cities such as Islwyn and Newport have been ignored, let down and forgotten by the old parties of Wales. Today, the people have spoken, and now in Reform, they finally have a voice. You will not be ignored, you will not be sidelined, you will not be called named. From now on, you will be represented by Reform. We will focus on real issues, the day-to-day issues that matter to you. And we will put common sense over ideology. And Reform Senedd members elected across Wales will fight for your interests, and we will put the people of Wales first. And in just 5 years, Reform has gone from winning 1% of the vote in these Senedd elections to being the main contender for government, smashing Labour in the process. It has taken Plaid Cymru decades to come anywhere near to the same. The momentum is with Reform because we are the people's army. We will remember the people who elected us and what they've told us during this campaign. And whether you voted for us or not, we will serve all our constituents equally and with dedication. Labour's historic demise in their heartland is a lesson for all politicians to never forget the people who elected you. We must always work for the people, not against them. We don't know yet what will happen across Wales, but I can promise the people of Newport and Islwyn and communities like ours, we will once again have our voices heard. Thank you.
Arweinydd Reform UK yng Nghymru, Dan